Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am replacing a turn signal on my car. It's a 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan, and I will show you how easy it is to replace the bulb, take the old one out and put a new one in. As you can see, the turn signal is the orange bulb. This is on the front end. We're replacing the bulb on the passenger side, and I will show you where it's located inside the hood on the front end. This is where it's located. You turn slightly counterclockwise and it unlocks. And basically you pull it out and it pops right out. You pull it out. The replacement signal, the turn signal bulb for the 2012 Dodge Grand Caravan is the 3757A Sylvania, which is basically a package of two. It only costs about $6. It's very simple to do it yourself. It only takes a minute. Okay, I snapped the new bulb in place. As you can see, it's working right now. And the way you troubleshoot this is, if you notice that when you turn on your signal that they blink very fast, that means that either the front or the back turn signal bulb went out. Now we're putting the new bulb back in place. Make sure that it's fit back into the hole, and you press firmly to make sure that it went all the way in. And you also check it out from here, as basically as you could see the bulb on the outside, and then as you are holding it firm, press in and turn clockwise, and it's locked. Thanks for visiting my channel again, folks. If this helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will have other things as well, other projects. Take care. Have a wonderful day.